morning. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I am cleaning this area here, the bar cart, my table over here to the side, and my breakfast area. I'm trying to get this back together since Christmas. Now what you see is a lot of this decor from Christmas that I've taken down over there, here, and here. So I thought I'd take you guys along. So let's get cleaning. Okay guys, I didn't know the camera had cut off. Yeah. So here's how the breakfast area looks. I put it back to the normal look. I polished underneath the table, polished the legs, cleaned the glass, dusted in here, and then I cleaned off the bar cart as well. Dust the light, swept the floor in here. So here is my breakfast area. It looks back to normal. Yes. Next thing I have to do is get that table out my makeup room and put my new desk in there. I know I'm procrastinating, I know. But here's how everything looks, clean and neat. Woo. 2 rooms are fully back to normal. Well, 3, because the family room was done first. So 3 rooms back to normal, and then I'll be checking with you guys later. So guys, if you like my content, you know what to do. Comment, subscribe, and share my videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, click that subscribe button down below. Once you click it, a bell will appear. Click that bell. A notification screen will appear saying send all notifications for this channel. Click the box and click save, and you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below on the screen as well as in the description down below. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.